Good morning, everybody. Just turned up here to a job in a primary school in Aspley. This is actually in the prep area, so this is for the 5-year-olds, 4 and 5-year-olds, I suppose. Yeah, okay, so plenty here to do. Spin this camera around. Lots and lots of leaf litter, sticks, twigs, and obviously some kids have been here building a dam. So looks like I've got my work cut out for myself. Yeah, so I suppose there's no time like the present, but it's time to get into it and get this looking fresh and new again. All right, so of course number one task when we turn up on a job like this is to remove all the leaf litter and the sticks and twigs. Okay, so remember that dam that we had across here, comprising of the watering can, the pot, and the retaining wall block? That dam's actually created a bit of a low edge over here, and basically what's occurred is that water level in here has been raised, and therefore water is pushing out the side. Now, as a result of that, we can see here the roots from this lamandra have come in. I've just ripped a lot of them out. You can still see them down in there, and that's actually worked its way on pulling that liner down, and of course resulting in a bit of water loss. Not quite so bad as what it was when I first found it, but this is one of the very important reasons why we need to inspect these things on a regular basis, and or you need to inspect your water feature or have us come out and do it for you, because these plants ingress over time. They find their water, they get wet feet, they love it, and of course their roots go to town on pulling that liner down, resulting in water loss. Hence the autofill that's located down in this reservoir is probably running pretty continuously to keep up with that leak. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to correct this. Got my trusty little mini pick. These are from Tiger Stainless, T-Y-G-E-R, tigerstainless.com.au. So these are an Australian made little mini pick. Fantastic little tool. We used to use other brands all the time, and we got our hands on some of these Tiger Stainless gear, and honestly haven't looked back ever since. Fantastic bit of kit, and the easiest way to help dig out around these soils that have become quite hard and compacted. So let's go. Okay, you can see that mat of roots there that I'm pulling out, and that was all building up. When we build these, we try to leave a bit of excess liner to allow us to actually pull this up and give a higher edge. And creating that higher edge becomes quite an important aspect of maintaining these features, because as that dirt and everything builds up and ingresses, hence there's a lot of silts run off with surrounding rainfall and everything at the same time, and before you know it, you've got a lovely nutrient source there to feed your algae. That really is quite wet down in there too. Okay, so there you have it. Now we will, when we shut this off, we'll get a bit more waterfall foam in here and just try and help divert the water. It looks as though the rocks that were in here have been pulled out, which was probably helping divert that water, and it could be a result. But once again, it's just that dam that sort of created this issue. But now we've got that liner up nice and high. I always like to leave that little bit of liner along the edge, just so that you've got a physical inspection area, so that you can see where that liner is. It just makes life so much easier for maintenance and less risk of losing water from roots going over the top and pulling that liner down. Okay, here's another fantastic tool. This is another one from Tiger Stainless as well. I'll put the link up in the description. This is a crevicing tool, so primarily used for actually gold prospecting, for raking gold out of crevices in between rocks. However, they work as a fantastic weeding tool as well and make very light work of helping pull these weeds out in this very hard ground. So there's a lot of paspalum growing in here and a lot of other weeds we just don't want in this surrounding the watercourse. So definitely, if you're looking for a good set of gardening tools that can also be used for gold prospecting, look up Tiger Stainless. Fantastic company, fantastic products too, and Australian made. All right, so we've removed all of the leaf litter and the weeds that were growing up along the side here, and now we're ready to set the water washer up. We'll turn the stream off, set the water washer up and give it a good water blast and start stirring everything up. Then we're going to come back through, we're going to flush all that dirt and debris out, pump the volt out down the bottom here, and yeah, get it all filled up, clean and ready to go again. Ready for the next year of prep students. Alright, so there you have it. This has been a little bit of a challenge, this one, out here working by myself. So much leaf litter and debris through here and so many weeds, as you saw before when I first started. So, but anyway, we're nice and clean again. We've flushed out all the dirt and debris out of here and cleaned out the reservoir, and it's all ready for the next year of students to come and enjoy. That's it for us on this one. Have a great day, guys, and we'll catch you again soon. Cheers.